Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into RimaTech, an online store that claims to offer everything from high-tech gadgets to outdoor gear with a tempting 40% site-wide discount. It sounds like a shopper's paradise, but usually, when a deal is this good, the only thing getting discounted is your bank account balance. Let's see if RimaTech is actually a legitimate business or just another digital trap waiting for a victim. First off, the website proudly boasts a near-perfect 5-star rating on Trustpilot. It's a bold strategy to lie about something so easily verifiable, especially since a quick search reveals they actually have 0 reviews. I suppose 5 stars is just their favorite aesthetic choice rather than a reflection of reality. Then there are the product photos, which look so polished and professional they practically scream stock image. A quick reverse image search confirmed the hunch. These exact photos are recycled across dozens of other questionable websites. Apparently, originality wasn't in their startup budget. Next, let's talk about their customer service, or lack thereof. They actually listed a phone number on the site, which almost makes them look real until you actually try to call it. The number is either invalid or completely out of service, which is a fantastic way to handle customer complaints by ensuring they can never be made. To make matters worse, there is 0 transparency on the site. There is no company name, no physical business address, and no information about who is actually running this operation. It's like they're playing a high-stakes game of hide-and-seek where they keep your money and you never find them. When you add up the imaginary Trustpilot ratings, the stolen photos, the ghost town phone line, and the total lack of business credentials, the conclusion is obvious. RimaTech is about as trustworthy as a chocolate teapot. It's definitely safer to stay far away from this site if you want to keep your hard-earned money in your own pocket. Thanks for watching until the end. If you want to keep your wallet safe from the internet's many bottom feeders, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest scam checks.